Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending February 27th, all of the major indexes declined as inflation fears resurfaced due to the week's economic data and concerns about AI's impact on our economy. National home prices increased 1.8% in 2025, but the pace of appreciation slowed to its weakest level since March of 2012. States that posted the strongest annual appreciation were North Dakota, Delaware, Illinois, Wisconsin, and Michigan. Consumer confidence rebounded in February to 91.2 after plunging in January to its lowest level since May of 2014. The Producer Price Index, or PPI, which measures inflation on the wholesale level, increased a more than expected 0.5% in January, 2.9% year over year. Excluding food and energy, PPI increased 0.3% in January, 3.4% compared to a year earlier. And finally, construction spending was up 0.3% in December, but year over year it was down 0.4%. Year to date, the Dow is up 1.9%. The S&P is up a half a point at 0.49%, but the Nasdaq is down 2.5%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 3.96%. Oil closed at $67 a barrel. Gold closed at $5,262.53 an ounce, with silver closing at $93.98 an ounce. For this week of March 2nd, Monday we'll get manufacturing data and auto sales. Nothing to report on Tuesday. Wednesday, the ADP employment report, ISM services data, and the Fed Beige Book will be reported. The Beige Book is a report published 8 times a year, which summarizes regional economic conditions gathered from each of the 12 Federal Reserve banks. Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, productivity data, and the import price index. And on Friday, the employment report, the unemployment rate, and hourly wages all will be reported. And as always, we keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.